around the camera. Good job. Yes, look at the camera. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Cassidy climbing on the trampoline. Okay, you're getting really good at that. You like riding your bike now? Can you wave to the camera? Uh-oh. Sorry, did I mess you up? Good job.
I do this like that.
You're coming. Oh!
You messed me up.
I didn't mess you up. You want to push? Go. You are getting really good at this. Can you turn around? Woo! Nanelle's first fall. How do you feel?
Good.
How was your fall? Was it fun?
Mhm.
Yeah? Good. You want me to help you back up? Here,
Do it
I'll
now.
turn it around. I'll turn it around. No, you can't just give up just because you fall. You gotta take your bike home. Nanelle, come here. Danielle, Ray. Okay, I'm gonna leave you here so I can get hit by a car. Come right home. Cassie's yelling something.
I didn't try.
No, you didn't cry. You're a big girl. That's why you gotta get back on. Okay, ready? Gotta go forward. There you go. Okay, show me how you ride the bike home.
Actually, Buffy's so happy because I'm going.
Mm-hmm.
Riding my bike.
Yeah, you gotta watch where you're going though. Don't look at your feet.
I'm watching if I go.
Are you coming, Cassidy? You're having a hard time on the way home, aren't you? Go. What are you doing, Cassie Bug? Bonk! It's okay. Did you hurt your hands? It's okay. It's okay. Let me see. Can I see your owies? Scrape your hand a little bit. Come on, let's watch your sister. No, get back on your bike. Get back on your bike. Yeah, she's okay. Yeah. Hold on, I'll pick you up. There we go. Uh-oh, forward. There you go. Okay, ride you back home. Hey, where you going, little bug? Let's watch Danielle. Look at her go. Danielle, you're running into the thing. Yeah? You're going into the grass. You're going into the grass. And we're home. Yay. Say ta-da.
Ta-da!
Good job. Cassie, say ta-da! Okay. That's chocolate on her face. She had a cookie.